Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X80 Lite and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or forced restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches, for example, etc. So all you have to do is to press two buttons, so the power button and the volume down button together, and wait until you'll see the black screen at the developer's logo. So this is the same combination of keys and just like for the screenshot. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons and of course ignore the screenshot, keep pressing the buttons. And let's wait, it should take approximately 10 seconds. Alright, we've got the black screen, which is really good. We've got the developer's logo, so we can release the fingers, and in a second our device will be restarted. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.